Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Mag-vlog tayo ngayon kaya alas 5 na. Dito si boss. Bukas mga construct. Electrical na tayo. Sure na yun. Sure na sure. Pare, wala kang vlog pare ah.
Ha? Ano? Yun na lang isa.
Bagay, mahaba mo yun, no?
Kalating oras yan.
Umuwi na yung partner ko. Saka si boss. Nasaan na si boss? Nawala. Ingat kayo ha. Malayo pa yung uwian nyo. Babalik pa naman. Balik ka pa di ba pare? Sama sa akin. Ayan yung boss namin. Te, kung nang bahala sa bahay mo. Dahil iuwi ko to. Huwag pare, masira yung motor mo pare. Ayan yung partner ko saka yung boss ko, ilang ibang. Sige te. Te, sabihin mo kasi muna te, basic. Yun no? Basic. Te. Vlog muna tayo ngayon pang video natin. Karami na pala tayo mga halos mag 30 na yung vlog natin. Yan mga washing pala mga pala. Tingnan natin si Mokmok. My washing muna ako sa partner ko mga construct.
I think I'd be fine with losing my hearing, 'cause but the my canals are still searing from your words. No, I don't wanna stop interfering, but I wonder if all that's gonna do is make it worse. I think I'd be wrong to blame it all on you. You couldn't have known I wanted more than you could give. And though I never asked for anything from you, I was hoping I would get a little bit closer than I did. I turned into a shoulder you cried on. I never wanted it to go that way. I'm so foolish for wasting my time on you, thinking we'd end up together one day. Lady, you can carry on weeping, but your tears gonna hit the floor, 'cause my shoulder won't be there for you no more. Won't be there for you no more. Why am I looking at you? You're a picture in a frame. I make believe you're next to me, but I know it's not the same. Why am I looking at you? You're a pixel on a screen. Your animating principle is nowhere to be seen. Why am I lost in a loveless fantasy when somebody real is waiting out there for me? Why am I looking at you? I've enjoyed the years I've wasted, but the time has come to face the fact that none of what I see is true. So I'm gonna stop looking at you. Oh, I'm gonna stop looking at you. Oh. Didn't take very long after meeting you for me to make a move. Less than a week, and I told myself not long before that I had to focus on school and any involvement with a girl I would not seek. But when you showed up, all the self-promises and plans I made went straight out the window. I had the courage to start this, but I went about it all wrong. I'd never done it before, so I didn't know what I was doing. If I hadn't messed up so bad, if I would've made up my mind, if I would've accepted your offer instead of turning you away, if I wouldn't have let my doubts convince me that I knew best, if I wouldn't have listened to my head instead of what's in my chest, if I hadn't messed up so bad, if I'd taken more time to think, then I wouldn't be tearing my hair out, regretting every word I spoke. If I wouldn't have pressured you in the first place, maybe this would be fine. But I messed up so bad and I'm mad 'cause now we'll never know. All because I messed up.